Imagine an island shrouded in mist, its volcanic peaks piercing the clouds. This is Flores, a part of Indonesia, a land where ancient stories speak of dragons and giants. Deep within this island, hidden within lush forests and limestone cliffs, lies Liang Bua Cave. The cave's mouth gapes open like a giant's maw, hinting at the secrets held within. Formed over millions of years, Liang Bua is a time capsule of geological history. Its layers of sediment hold the fossilized remains of creatures long extinct, whispering tales of lost worlds. This is where our story begins, in a cave that would rewrite the textbooks of human evolution. Archaeologists have unearthed ancient tools and artifacts, each piece a clue to the lives of those who once roamed this land. Among the most astonishing discoveries were the skeletal remains of a small-statured human species known as Homo floresiensis, or the Hobbit. These remains have sparked debates and discussions among scientists, challenging our understanding of human evolution. The Hobbit stood just over a meter tall, with a brain size much smaller than modern humans, yet they crafted tools and hunted animals. Imagine these small humans navigating the dense forests, hunting for food, and surviving in a world filled with dangers. The island's volcanic activity has shaped its landscape and influenced the lives of its inhabitants for millennia. Today, the people of Flores carry forward a rich cultural heritage, with traditions and dances that echo the island's ancient past. Modern-day Flores is a blend of the old and the new, where ancient legends coexist with contemporary life. Tourists from around the world visit Liang Bua Cave, drawn by the allure of its mysteries and the stories it holds. As the sun sets over this mystical island, one can't help but feel a connection to the ancient tales of dragons and giants, and the tiny humans who once called this place home. Flores remains a land of wonder, where the past and present intertwine, inviting us to explore its secrets and imagine the lives of those who came before us. The year was 2003. It was a time of great anticipation and excitement in the world of archaeology. Researchers were constantly on the lookout for new discoveries that could shed light on the mysteries of our ancient past. A team of archaeologists led by Indonesian and Australian researchers embarked on an expedition to Liang Bua, a limestone cave on the Indonesian island of Flores. This cave had long been a site of interest due to its rich history and the potential for uncovering significant archaeological finds. They were searching for clues about the early human migration across Southeast Asia. The team meticulously studied maps and ancient migration routes, hoping to piece together the movements of our ancestors. They examined ancient artifacts and bones, each piece a potential key to unlocking the secrets of human history. What they found instead was far more astonishing. As they dug deeper into the cave, they began to uncover unexpected findings that would challenge everything they thought they knew about human evolution. Deep inside the cave, buried under layers of sediment, lay a skeleton unlike any they had ever seen. The discovery was both thrilling and perplexing. The skeleton was remarkably well preserved, offering a rare glimpse into the distant past. It was a small skeleton, barely a meter tall, belonging to an adult individual. This was highly unusual, as adult human ancestors were typically much larger. The team was intrigued by the implications of this find. The skull was unusually small, with a sloping forehead and prominent brow ridges. These distinctive features set it apart from any known human ancestor. The team carefully documented every detail, knowing that this discovery could rewrite the history books. The bones were delicate, almost fragile. Handling them required the utmost care and precision. The researchers knew that even the slightest mistake could damage these invaluable remains. This was no ordinary human ancestor. The team debated the significance of their findings, each new piece of evidence adding to the mystery. They carefully analyzed the skeletal remains, searching for clues that could explain this extraordinary discovery. This was something new, something remarkable. The discovery at Liang Bua would go on to captivate the world, sparking debates and inspiring further research. It was a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie hidden beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered by those with the curiosity and determination to seek them out. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The new species, dubbed Homo floresiensis, was nicknamed the Hobbit for its diminutive size. Imagine a human, but smaller, with longer arms and flatter feet. They had small brains about the size of a chimpanzee's, yet they were capable of making and using stone tools. They lived in a world teeming with giant rats, Komodo dragons, and dwarf elephants. a testament to the strange and wonderful power of island evolution. Where did Homo floresiensis come from? How did they end up on this remote island? These questions have puzzled scientists since their discovery. One theory suggests that they are descended from Homo erectus, an earlier human ancestor who had already ventured out of Africa. Isolated on Flores with limited resources, they may have undergone a process called insular dwarfism, shrinking in size over generations. Islands and evolution, the curious case of dwarfism. Island ecosystems are unique. With limited resources and fewer predators, large animals often evolve to become smaller, while small animals can grow larger. This phenomenon, known as the island rule, might explain the small stature of Homo floresiensis. Imagine a population of early humans, stranded on Flores. Over time, those with smaller bodies requiring less food to survive would have had a survival advantage, passing on their genes to future generations. A shared history, Homo floresiensis and modern humans. Deep within the lush, dense jungles of Flores, an island in Indonesia, lies a story that has fascinated scientists and historians alike. This is the tale of Homo floresiensis, a diminutive human species that has captured the imagination of many. Here's where the story gets even more intriguing. Archaeologists have unearthed artifacts and remains that suggest a complex and rich history. These findings have opened a window into a world that existed tens of thousands of years ago. Evidence suggests that Homo floresiensis may have lived on Flores until as recently as 50,000 years ago. This discovery was groundbreaking, as it indicated that these small-statured humans, often referred to as hobbits, survived much longer than previously thought. This means they could have coexisted with our own species, Homo sapiens, who were spreading across the globe. Imagine a world where multiple human species roamed the earth, each adapting to their environments in unique ways. Did our ancestors ever encounter these little people? The thought is both fascinating and mysterious. What would such an encounter have looked like? Would it have been peaceful or fraught with tension? Did they trade, interact, or even compete for resources? The possibilities are endless. Perhaps they shared knowledge, tools, and survival strategies. Or maybe they viewed each other with suspicion and kept their distance. The possibility, while still debated, is tantalizing. Scientists continue to analyze data, debate theories, and piece together the puzzle of our shared history. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the complex web of human evolution. It paints a picture of a time when the world was home to multiple human species, each with its own story to tell. This rich tapestry of human existence reminds us of the diversity and adaptability that have always been a part of our lineage. As we uncover more about Homo floresiensis and their interactions with Homo sapiens, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate history of humanity. The story of these ancient humans is not just a tale of survival, but a testament to the enduring spirit of exploration and discovery that defines us all. Fate of the Hobbits, unraveling and extinction. Sadly, the story of Homo floresiensis is ultimately one of extinction. The exact reasons for their disappearance remain unclear, but volcanic eruptions, climate change, and competition with other species, including perhaps our own, may have played a role. Their extinction is a reminder of the fragility of life, even for those who seem well suited to their environment. Liang Bua's legacy, rethinking human evolution. The discovery of Homo floresiensis has revolutionized our understanding of human evolution. It shows us that the human family tree is far more diverse and complex than we once thought. It challenges our assumptions about what it means to be human. The hobbits of Flores remind us that evolution is not a linear progression, but a branching tree with many dead ends and unexpected turns. The adventure continues unanswered questions and future explorations. The story of Liang Bua Cave is far from over. Each new discovery brings more questions than answers. What else lies hidden within the cave's depths? What other secrets can it reveal about our ancient past? The search for answers continues, driven by our insatiable curiosity to understand our place in the vast tapestry of life. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Liang Bua, we are reminded that the journey of discovery is just as important as the destination.